Today we are going to discuss about networking and internet protocols that is related to about IP address. Those who are using computer, mobile, they all are using, means we are using IP address, but we don't know about it. So let's have a look about IP address and MAC address. Two address in computer always be there. First one is IP address, means whenever you start internet into your computer or a mobile, it will generate IP address that will be 32 bits decimal. While second one, it will be inside the computer, MAC address, that is physical address of the computer, that will be 48 bits hexadecimal. Each computer has 48-bit hexadecimal MAC address and 32-bit decimal IP address. Example of MAC address, say for example 4 times A double dot 4 times B double dot 4 times 1, and IP address example 192.168.1 dot dot. So communication can only be possible if we know IP address and MAC address. Say for example, if you want to reach to any of the person, then either you should know the address of that person, either mobile number. So any of the way need to communicate. Same way over here, if one machine wants to communicate with another machine, there is a need of IP address and MAC address. Remember. Say for example, over here, computer A, whose MAC address and IP address are there, computer B, computer C, computer D. This all are the computer are connected with each other through hub. So if I need to communicate from one machine to another machine, I should know the MAC and IP address of that machine. So this is one of the example. Even you are using your computer or mobile, it also contains MAC address and IP address. IP address will generate whenever you start the internet, and MAC address will be inside the computer. Okay, let's have a look about hardware and software required for networking. Hardware side, there is a need of LAN card, cables, and central connecting device, either a hub or a switch. And on the software side, you need protocol. If operating system have a different LAN card, what LAN card difference? Its structure, system protocol, then communication is not possible. It requires protocol to match the operating system for communication. So what is this protocol? Protocol is a set of rules. Different operating system operate with different protocols. I'll just give it to you simple example. In your school, college, or wherever you are working with company or into your business, you have defined some rules. According to that discipline and rules, business, company, school or college will run. So there will be fixed rules. Same way to communicate over the internet, communication only can be possible if set of protocols, that is set of rules, should be followed. So in a machine language, protocol is a set of rules. Different operating system operate with different protocols. So it is important to match the protocol to connect the computer for communication. IEEE standard used to match protocol, which one? TCP/IP protocol. Operating system and the protocol: Microsoft, NetBeans, Novell, IPX, SPX, Apple, AppleTalk. So how can be possible if protocol does not match? Let's have a look about protocols which are there in our computer. Every computer has unique MAC address. Okay, so start menu, command prompt, open the command prompt. Inside the command prompt, write the command ipconfig or ipconfig/all. If you write ipconfig/all, you will get the information about the physical address, that is MAC address, and IP address. You can do it practically. Okay, let's have a, say for example, A wants to send data to C. Computer A, any of the two computers, say for example A wants to send data to C. Then A must have a IP as well as MAC address of C. A must have IP address and MAC address of C. How it can be possible? Let's have a look. If A wants to send communication link, then A will be a source. A wants to send, so A will be the source and destination will be C. So we can't able to find it out MAC address of C directly. Then how it can be possible? Say for example, A wants to connect with C. A will send ARP broadcast, the new word come, address resolution protocol. A will send ARP broadcast. A will send MAC address 4 times F double dot 4 times F double dot 4 times F. This is the MAC address. A will send MAC address to C for unknown MAC. Means we don't know the address of C. So A will send ARP broadcast protocol, address resolution protocol. So A will send for unknown MAC. Then what will happen? And C send its MAC to A. Then after what will happen? C will send MAC address to A. So first A will send ARP broadcast, means A will send MAC address double F double F double dot double F double F double dot double F double F to C. For unknown MAC, this will be the format. So what will be done by C? C send its MAC address to A. ARP is used to find MAC address of destination. So over here destination is C and source is A. So ARP is used to find MAC address of C, destination. Department of Defense, Institute of Electrical and Electronic Engineer, that is DoD and IEEE, defines the TCP/IP protocol. For what purpose? Let's see. IEEE, Institute of Electrical and Electronic Engineer. IEEE defines the TCP/IP protocol for all operating system. Remember this thing, for all operating system. So all the operating system and device, say for example router, LAN card, switch, hub, etc. can be manufactured based on TCP/IP protocol and IEEE standard. So that is the reason communication is possible. Otherwise communication cannot be possible if all the operating system have a different protocol. But IEEE and Department of Defense has defined TCP/IP protocol for all operating system. That is Transmission Control Protocol, Internet Protocol. I hope so you understood what I am trying to explain. Thank you.